This is something that recently came out in my other bathroom. I had to change the extension for the stem in my bathroom because the handle broke. I thought I was going to have to change the entire thing and all that, but it turned out to be a lot simpler than that. And even the removal was a lot simpler than I imagined. This is for this brand. I think it's Pfister. So I found the part, actually my wife found this part on Amazon. This is a stem extension, as you can see. And it's metal. The one inside the handle that comes with the whole set is plastic, and that's why it breaks. She found this on Amazon for $15.99. So if you want to change it, all you have to do is turn this, and that removes the handle. This one's not broken, but I'm going to change it anyway so that I don't have to deal with that later. If it's a little too hard when you're turning it, you might want to use some pliers to get it loose, just because of oxidation. Set this over here. Holding the handle so that the water doesn't open. There it is. So that's the plastic one right there, as you can see. That's the one that broke in my other bathroom. So now I'm going to change the one here and replace it with the metal one. There it is. It's a plastic part. There's a new one. And just screw this back on. That's it.